Here we are in Miami, Novotel Miami, room 903. It's a nice, modern, clean hotel. It's got a nice little coffee maker when you walk in. It's kind of nice you can make coffee while the other person sleeps because you're kind of off to the side. Nice big shower. It's got, soaps and spritzers and sprayers and shower stuff. But plenty of room in there to get all cleaned up. Soap, sink, normal bathroom stuff, soap, sink, towels, separate little can room off to the side for the can. There's a trash can too. I like the modern cleanness of the place. Little closet, shelves, ironing board. I like the place. Ironing boards in hotels double as nice little tables sometimes. Phone, plugs. Plugs are awesome. You can never have too many plugs. Cool lights. Nice bedding. Not a bad place. Normal stuff. Chairs, desk. Nice, clean, modern place.